case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
A 1973 Oregon Supreme Court case, Fasano v. Board of County Commissioners, focused on the requirement for defendants to demonstrate that a proposed zoning change is consistent with the comprehensive plan and meets a public need. At issue was the Board of County Commissioners' approval of a zoning alteration for a 32-acre property from single-family residential to planned residential, permitting the construction of a mobile home park. The decision was opposed by neighboring homeowners, and the trial court sided with them, a decision that was later affirmed by the Court of Appeals. The Oregon Supreme Court is now reviewing the case to determine the standards of authority for county commissions in zoning matters. The court found that the county commission's decision was invalid, as it did not adhere to the comprehensive plan or consider the necessary factors. The defendant failed to prove consistency with the plan and public need, and the planning department's report was deemed insufficient. Consequently, the judgment was upheld.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of climb.